Hello. Welcome to the Keto Diet and Weight Loss channel. The foolproof way to lose weight permanently. Is there a safe and foolproof way to lose weight? Yes, there is. Follow the following 4-step process to lose weight. Make a plan. A plan is important when you set out to achieve something. Be it a major life goal or a minor shopping trip. Weight loss for many is a major life goal. It is something people strive for all their lives. You need a plan. To keep your body's metabolism burning calories at full clip, keep it fueled and well supplied with useful calories. Eat smaller portion sizes more often. Keep a track of your eating by checking food labels. Water is the key to weight management. Keep yourself well hydrated at all times. Include plenty of wholesome foods like grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, seafood, poultry, and meat. Avoid processed food. Include some amount of good fats in your diet as it keeps you feeling satisfied and full for longer. Include plenty of fiber-containing food in your diet. Take responsibility. More often than not we blame our parents, genes, social circle, the celebrations, and everything else for our weight gain. It is time you take responsibility for your own actions. Use the apps available on your smartphone or just a small diary to keep track of your calories. Get a supportive group of friends or relatives who will cheer and support you and hold you accountable. If you don't have such people around, you can find that there are many online support groups with total strangers supporting and cheering each other. These folks build you up and keep you motivated even when you want to quit. The whole process of losing weight is long and arduous. You need all the support you can get. Intermittent fasting is another method you can gain control over your eating habits. The fast is tough initially, but over time you learn to ignore the constant need to eat something. Aim to lose about 1 to 2 pounds per week. While it is tempting to lose more, it is not feasible in the long run. Second, you lose bone, muscle, and water weight, which is not what you want in this weight loss journey. Learn about yourself. What makes you crave food? What are your triggers? Why do you want to eat? It is time to learn about yourself and your eating habits. Some people react to stress, others to anger, some for comfort, others eat due to boredom. Some eat when they are eating or depressed. If emotions are driving you, learn to channel them elsewhere. Pick up some good habits like painting or listening to music or reading or going for a walk, when these emotions hit you. Another reason folks eat is due to lifelong conditioning of not wasting food, not leaving anything on the plate. If that is a problem, cook a little less, serve yourself smaller portions, store away the remaining food in the fridge for the next meal. When you are offered free food or pay for, eat as much as you can. Buffet, control your impulses and eat just what you need. There is no need to justify the price. Think that you are paying for the ambiance of the experience, not for the food. Change what you eat. If you have brought up on a diet of processed foods, cookies, baked goods, candy, and fizzy drinks, it is time to change to more wholesome and fresher ingredients. How about more fruits and vegetables in your meals? Switch to whole grains, wholesome dairy products, more nuts and seeds, useful fats, and proteins. Try to make your meals balanced with the right mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Choose foods containing fiber to help you feel full for longer and to keep the digestion process running smoothly. Divide your meals into 5 smaller meals if you have trouble keeping away from food in between meals. Space them so you always have access to food when you are hungry. A good helping of protein will keep you feeling full and satisfied for a long. Good fats are also similar. Avoid processed carbs as they make you hungry often. Thanks for watching. Remember to comment, like, and hit the subscription bell to be notified whenever new content is published.